kids, Shubhamangalam Academical Scholars, myself Jagdeep. I'll be taking class 4 for today. I'll be taking English for you all. So we are on lesson number 2. The name of the lesson is Common, Proper and Abstract Nouns. For your convenience, I've also mentioned the page number. It's page number 2 that we are going to study today. So in the previous class, we studied about nouns and we also studied the definition of nouns. So what is the definition of nouns? A noun or a naming word is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, idea or feeling. Okay, so we have solved too many examples of noun. We are able to identify what are nouns. We're able to categorize them as person, place, animal, thing and so on. That's what we did in the first lesson. Now we are going to learn something more about nouns. Okay, we are going to learn types of nouns. So basically they are common, proper and abstract. There are few more which we will learn in further lessons, but for now in lesson number 2 we are going to learn 3 types over here, which is common, proper and abstract. Before that we have a simple activity to do over here. So they have given us a set of words. Okay, you can open your textbook to page number 2 and the very first bit that we are going to solve is this. So it is written as let's get started. It is a very small exercise. They have given you a set of nouns over here and they are asking us to categorize them as per the question mentioned over here. Okay, I'll help you with this. Hope you're doing along with me. Please take your pencil out and start writing along. So people who help us. Okay, so you are going to search in these set of words about people, the names of the people who are going to help you. Okay, who help us regularly. So let's see over here. Teacher. Can I see teacher over here? A teacher helps you. So can I write here the word teacher? Everybody agrees with me? And then we have one more word. Nurse. Yes or no? Nurse helps in treating patients. She assists the doctors. And then we have the policeman. What does the policeman do? Helps in catching thieves, robbers. Policeman. Anything else that you want me to mention? Nothing more, right? So, names of towns and cities. Okay, let's see. We have Ooty over here. So, where can I place Ooty over here? Look at the second question. Names of towns and cities. So, I am going to write Ooty. It is a very beautiful city. Okay? All of you should visit at least once. You can spend your vacations over there, definitely. But don't go in the rainy season. So now, one more. Can I write Lucknow also? What is Lucknow famous for? What do you think? Lucknow is famous for the chikankari work, embroidery work in, salwar kameezes and all. Very beautiful again. And then we have one more city. It is our city, Hyderabad. I'm going to mention Hyderabad also over here. Okay, we are done with 2 already. Now look at the third question. Names of domestic animals. Everybody knows what are domestic animals? If you don't know, I'll help you out with it. Okay, is bear a domestic animal? No, it is a wild animal. Is goat a domestic animal? Yes. So I am going to mention goat over here. Let's look further. We have dog. Dog is a domestic animal? Yes. What do you mean by domestic animals? You can domesticate them. You can train them. Okay? Something that can, stay in your house or stay near your house. Something that doesn't stay in the jungle. Cow. What do you think cow is? Cow is also a domestic animal. Next, look at this. We have names of wild animals to be mentioned over here. Can I write bear here now? Yes. So I mention bear. What is the next one? Lion? Yes. Lion is a wild animal. Can you have a pet lion at home? No, you can't domesticate lions. It is going to domesticate you instead. So next, we are going to write zebra. Okay, names of flowers. What do you think? What are the flowers mentioned in these set of words over here? We have lily. It is a white color flower. Lotus. Lotus grows in water. Then, what else do we have? We have rose. Roses can be of different color like red, white, yellow, pink. What would be your favorite? Think about it. We have one more, marigold. Okay. Hope you have noted things down and I have not missed out anything for you. This was a very simple exercise. You just have to solve few questions over here by looking at the set of the words given. Very easy one for class 4. Yes, I hope you have followed it. If you have not, please jot it down in your textbook by looking at the board over here. Okay, we'll move on further by learning about common and proper nouns. Okay, so now we are going to learn about common and proper nouns. For this, I have an example for you on the board. I have discussed this example in the previous video also. So, there is a reason that I've taken this example again. Okay, now I'm going to ask you, what are the nouns that you see in the statement? What is the statement over here? What is the sentence? Priya is a teacher. This is a sentence over here. It is an English sentence. Yes. Can I identify the nouns over here? Yes. Priya is a noun because it is a name of a person. Teacher. Teacher is also a name given to a certain category of people. Yes or no? Now, you need to tell me, you need to think about it. Let's look at this definition of common noun over here. A common noun is the name given in common to all people, places, animals, or things of all kinds. I repeat, a common noun is the noun given in common to all people, places, animals, or things of all kinds. Now look at the sentence given to you as example. Priya is a teacher. In this statement, we have two nouns, Priya and teacher. Which one will be a common noun? Yes. Teacher is going to be a common noun because it is a common name tag given to a category of people who teach. Did you understand? Teacher is called as a common noun because it is a common name tag given to the category of people who teach. Similarly, what else can be a common noun? Can you give me examples of that? For example, if I write a statement, Ram is a doctor. I know that Ram and doctor are nouns, but which one of them is a common noun? Can I circle the common noun over here? Yes. Doctor is the common noun. Why do I call doctor as a common noun? Because doctor is the common name tag given to people who treat patients. Okay. Teacher is a person who's teaching. Doctor is a person who's treating patients. These are common name tags given to a certain category of people. Now, the teacher here has a specific name. That specific name of the teacher is called as the proper noun. Did you understand now? The category to which she belongs, that particular name tag is called as teacher, and the specific name of the teacher is called as proper noun. Okay? Now look at the second example I gave you over here. If doctor is the common noun, what is the proper noun over here? You are right. Ram is the proper noun because that is a specific name of a doctor. Did you understand now? Okay. Anything else you want me to discuss? One more example with you? Okay. I'll discuss one more. Okay. Sham is an engineer. So Sham is an engineer. What do you think is the common noun over here? Engineer is the common noun because it is the common name given to people who build buildings or do engineering. Fine. And what is the proper noun over here? Sham is the proper noun because, why is it proper noun? Because it is the specific name of that particular engineer. Okay with everyone? Let's look at the examples that we have discussed. We have three examples over here. Priya is a teacher. Priya and teacher are nouns. Teacher is a common noun because it is a common name given to certain people. What is the specific name over here? Priya. Look at the second example. Ram is a doctor. What is the common noun over here? Doctor, because it is a common name given to people who work in hospitals or treat patients. Now, what is the name of the doctor? It is Ram. So, Ram is proper noun. Okay with everyone? The last and the final example that we have discussed in this sentence over here, Sham is an engineer. Engineer is nothing but a common noun. Okay, Sham is the name of the engineer. So that is why it is the proper noun. Hope you people are clear with this. Now further we will do the exercises on page number 3. So there is one easy trick to find out whether the nouns are proper nouns or common nouns. The proper nouns are always going to begin with a capital letter. Okay, you have it on your textbook also on page number 3. On the right hand side there is a small little box where there is written watch out. The proper noun always begin with capital letters. That is one easy technique to find out what are proper nouns and what are common nouns. Okay, now we have an exercise over here on page number 3. The first one, write whether the following are common or proper nouns. The first one over here, what is the first one? Jack. What do you think Jack is? Jack is the name of a specific person. So Jack is a proper noun. I hope you have understood by now. Okay, look at the second one that they have given you, muffin. Muffin are like small cakes. Okay, you get them in bakeries. But they can be of different flavors. They can be strawberry, they can be blueberry, they can be chocolate muffins. Okay, they can be a variety of muffins. But have they mentioned over here blueberry muffin? Or have they mentioned chocolate or vanilla muffin? No, they have only written muffin. So muffin is a common name given to certain confectionery items. So muffin here is a common noun. I hope you all are writing in your textbook. Next, beehive. You know what is a beehive? All the honeybees gather in a certain place and they form a V-shaped hive where they're going to collect honey. Yes. Did they mention the name of the beehive over here? No, there are many beehives. All the beehives are actually called as beehives only. So it is a common name. So this is a common noun. Easter. What is Easter? Easter is an occasion celebrated by the Christians. It usually comes on Sundays in April. Okay, so here Easter is a special occasion for Christians. So that is why it is called as the proper noun. One more way, one more technique to find it is because Easter E starts with a capital letter. Did you see that? Yes. Okay. Library. Have they mentioned the name, specific name of the library? St. Louis Library or St. Thomas Library, the Hindu Library, the Times of India Library, or the Hyderabad Public Library? Did they mention that? No. So they have not mentioned a specific name. They've only written library over here. So what is it? It is a common name given to certain buildings where books are placed for reading. So it is a common noun. Shop. Did they mention which shop? Sari shop, stationery shop. Did they mention that? No. They only wrote shop. So you are right this time. It is common noun. Next, Harry Potter. You know who's Harry Potter? Harry Potter is the main protagonist of J.K. Rowling's books. Okay, he is a wizard as per the book. Very famous. It is a specific name. And how did I identify it as a specific name? It begins with a capital letter. So what is it? Proper or common? It is proper noun. Very good books. You should actually read them. It's fiction. Fantasy and fiction. June. June is a specific month amongst all the 12 months. June is one month mentioned in them. Did I write here month? If I would have written here month, then it would be a common noun. But they have mentioned which month. They have specifically mentioned the name of the month. So it is a proper noun. And also June begins with a capital letter J. Donald, capital letter D. It is a name like Donald Trump. Okay, Donald Trump is the president of US. And there is also a cartoon, Donald Duck. Okay, it is a specific name. So here, proper noun. Market. Did they mention it is vegetable market or the fruit market or fish market? No. So it is a common name given to all the markets. So here it is a common noun. Hope everybody is noting it down perfectly. Hope everybody is able to understand what are nouns and what is the difference between common and proper. I repeat it, common noun is a common name tag given to a certain category of people, places, animals or things. And proper noun is the specific name of the person, place, animal or thing. Okay. So on page number 3, bit B. Circle the proper nouns and underline the common nouns. Okay, they have given us 9 blanks, like 9 sentences, and they have asked us to circle the proper nouns and underline the common nouns. Remember, proper nouns specific and common nouns the common name or the common category. Okay, that's an easy technique to find out. Also, proper nouns capital letter. Remember that. Not every capital letter is going to be proper noun. Remember this also. So look at the first sentence they have given. My cousin gave me the book. I'll first circle the proper nouns for you, and then we will underline the common nouns for the first 4, and the rest we will do. My cousin gave me the book The Three Musketeers. So in this, what is the proper noun? Of course, the name of the book is The Three Musketeers. So please circle it. What is the common noun over here? The book. Okay. Second one, Nisha and Beena are sisters. What are proper nouns? They have 2 names over here. Nisha is a proper noun. Beena is a proper noun. And sister is a common noun. Sisters. Third one, Bruno is a small dog. Bruno is a small dog. So Bruno is a proper noun because it is the name of the dog. So dog is an animal. So dog is a common name. Okay, so dog is underlined. Why did I underline it? Because it is a common noun. But he likes to fight with big dogs. You can also underline this because it's a plural noun. Okay, so Sheba likes to wear dresses. So what is the proper noun over here? Sheba is the proper noun because it is the name of a girl. What does she like? She likes dresses. Did they mention which kind of dresses? Business formals or Indian dresses or Western dresses? Did they mention that? No. Did they mention a specific kind of dresses? No. So this is a common noun. But Shruti likes to wear saris. So Shruti is again the name of a girl. So I'm going to circle this. Likes to wear saris. Did they mention which kind of saris? Pochumpalli, South Indian, or Lucknowi saris? No, they have not mentioned which kind of saris. They have only mentioned saris. Okay, so I'm going to underline saris because it is a common noun. So class, I'm reminding you again, the page numbers that we are dealing with is page number 14 and 15. In the earlier video, we have done page number 13, that was our lesson number 1, nouns. We are right now talking about page number 14 and 15. Please note it again, okay? So I might have told you, I might have not mentioned the page number, but right now I'm mentioning it for you. It's page number 14 and page number 15, okay, that we are dealing with right now. We are done with page number 14, page number 15, we are done with the A bit and we are in the B bit right now, okay. There is also watch out. I want you to read it once we are done with the lesson. Let's continue with the B bit over here. We need to circle the proper nouns and underline the common nouns. So what is the fifth one? The Mona Lisa is a famous painting. Mona Lisa is the name of the painting. So Mona Lisa needs to be circled. It's a famous painting. Painting is a common noun because it is a common name tag given to a thing. So Ramdini is my neighbor. Ramdini is the name of his neighbor. So Ramdini should be circled and neighbor should be underlined. All people living in your neighborhood will be called as neighbors, right? So that's a common name. So Dayaram and Sukhi. So definitely Dayaram should be circled. Sukhi should be circled. Are clever carpenters. Carpenter is a common name given to people who do the carpentry work. Okay. So now we have Delhi is the capital of our country. Delhi. You need to circle Delhi is the capital. Capital is referring to a city. So it should be underlined. And country is again common name. So now Sunita plays the piano and Sunidhi is a singer. So Sunita is a name. Sunidhi is also a name. So both of them need to be circled. Plays the piano. Piano is a common name given to a certain musical instrument. So what do you think? I should underline it. Okay, it's a singer. Singer is also a common name for people who sing. Okay, so I've mentioned the Sakshi over here. I hope you guys are clear with all of this that has happened today. We'll continue with abstract in the next class, next video. So the Sakshi reads out. I'll read it out for you. We have completed page 14 and 15 and I want you to do a little bit of homework, which will take only like 10 minutes. Copy the definition of noun with examples from page number 13 in your classwork. So as soon as you open your page number 13 in the textbook, you have the first thing that you have over there is the noun and examples. Page 13 in the textbook has the noun, definition and examples. Just copy that part. Okay, you're going to copy it in your classwork. That's it. Just the definition of noun with the examples. Any doubts, you can definitely come back and I'll try to clear them in the next video. Hope you're clear with nouns, common nouns and the proper nouns. Okay, exercises were very simple. Please note the page number. It's page 14 and 15, not 3, 4 or 5. It's page number 14 and 15. Thank you.